My name is Sashi Khan. I am the current president of IFI, second term president. My first term was from 2009 to 2011, and this term is from 2011 to 2013. In this term, we're also celebrating IFI's 50th anniversary. IFI was founded in 1963 in Northern Europe and founded by 10 Northern European nations. And it came into being in order to network amongst the European nations to allow for work to take place across borders, so that internationally a particular standard or a particular level of the practice of interiors could be understood and could be shared.
I think the other thing that changed quite dramatically was the way we communicated with members. When I started on board, we were talking fax machines, and we were sending out fax newses. And by the time I finished, we'd had a proper newsletter. We were starting to send out email information. We managed to communicate very well as a board, and we managed to communicate very well to the members. So that, for me, was, we had a really, really, really good team. We did a lot of communicating at that point in time. We were sending out newsletters. We started things like Wing, but we spent a little time actually working on the big issues was to service the membership and understanding that the membership was an international membership and that no one on the board was representing a country but representing the global village of interior design. It's the only organisation that actually has such a diverse cultural base. We have Asian members, we have members now more and more so from Africa, from the Middle East, from Europe. It was very much dominated by the Europeans and the North Americans initially, but now it's also spreading into South America. So it really has become a global organisation, and I think more so now than it's ever been.
My name is Young Beckney. I was the president 2003-2005. I think I had invited the two organizations in China, big organizations, when they were not that ready at the time, but that was I was able to coordinate that, and to have our secretary headquarters in Singapore. I signed a contract with the Ministry of Communication and Technology, and I met the minister, and so we had developed a good relationship with our sponsor at that time.
I'm Madeline Lester, and I was president from 2005 to 2007. I've been privileged to be on the IFI board since 2001, when I was co-opted following Sydney Design 99. During this time, there's been some enormous changes and developments, as one would expect of an international organisation. In my time, we moved the Secretariat from Johannesburg to Singapore through the sponsorship of the Ministry of Information, Communications and the Arts, and alongside Design Singapore. It was an exciting time, and to towards the end of that 4-year period, we moved our offices to Montreal to be part of the International Design Alliance. During this time, the profession has grown, and I've been incredibly fortunate to have met some extraordinary colleagues who, with me, share the same passion for ensuring that our profession is professionally relevant. So it's been an incredible journey, and I've been very privileged to have been at the helm of this along with my colleagues, and I look forward to being part of a profession that is constantly evolving and changing, and I look forward and wish IFI a very 50th happy anniversary.
It is in the nature of mankind not only to use spaces, but to fill them with beauty and meaning. Skillfully designed spaces can arouse in us a sense of purpose or a sense of the profound. In the spaces that are important to us, we experience not only a sense of place, but a sense of who we are and of what we can be. Thoughtfully designed spaces help us learn, reflect, imagine, discover, and create. Great spaces are indispensable for great creative cultures. They encourage connections between people, ideas, and entire fields of thought. As design professionals, our knowledge enables us to form spaces that respond to human needs. These human spaces are the domain of our competence, our passion, and our work. We use space responsibly. We practice our profession with the highest regard for engaging the world's economic and natural resources in a sustainable manner. We design for the health, safety, well-being, and needs of all. It is, after all, for humanity, our ultimate client, that we design. We shape the spaces that shape the human experience. This is what we do, what we create, what we give. It is how we earn our place at the human table. It is why our work is important to our clients, to our societies, and to ourselves. It is the difference we make and why we choose this noble profession.